The Southwire Romex brand SmartBox multi-mount device boxes offer unmatched versatility and are available in 1 gang through 6 gang, with the 6 gang box supporting a stark 110 cubic inch capacity. All multi-mount boxes feature our patented interior, heavy-duty 42-pound mounting screws that allow the box to be easily adjusted for different drywall thicknesses, or for the added depth that results from a tile backsplash or wall treatment. They also feature an adjustable interior and low-voltage divider plate that allows both line voltage and low-voltage devices to be mounted in the same box, making this box an optimal accompaniment to flat-screen TVs and home theaters. Multi-mount boxes come complete with multi-use tabs for both wood and metal stud mounting options, as well as a vertical mounting option. As with all Southwire Romex brand smart boxes, all 6x32 device holes are machine threaded and non-metallic cable clamps are built right into the design. All multi-mount boxes are UL listed and include 2 standards 1/2-inch knockouts. With versatile mounting options, depth adjustability, and a low-voltage divider, the multi-mount device box's unique design makes this box a must for any project where you need maximum versatility and ease of installation in new work applications. Be sure to ask for the Romex brand SmartBox multi-mount device box to ensure your job is outfitted with the box designed by an electrician for electricians.